Hey, don't do that. You might break your strings. How many times have you tried tuning your guitar and ended up breaking a string? This is the second video in a series on how to tune the guitar. In the first video, I showed how to tune the guitar by ear. If you haven't watched it yet, you can watch it on this link. In this lesson, I will teach you how to tune the guitar with an electronic tuner and app. I'm Rod Rodriguez, and if it's your first time here, please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new videos notifications. There are various tuners in the market these days, including pedal tuners, but they can be more expensive if you don't need them now. I have this clip-on tuner that I just put in on the headstock, like this. This tuner works by sensing the vibrations of the strings. There's an arrow in the middle that points left when the tuning is down and right when it's up. It needs to stay in the middle. Make sure the arrow aligns with the correct notes on the screen. Now is a good time to learn the notes of the open string. It's crucial and you won't be able to tune your guitar correctly without knowing them. We always count the strings from the bottom to top. The first one, it's the E, bottom E. The second string, it's the B, followed by the G, and then the D, and then the A, and the last one at the top, it's the E string. You guys remember there's an arrow in the middle when you hit the string? Okay, that's the E string. You can see that must show here E, right? And the arrow in the middle. So that means that the string sounds lower than it's supposed to. Whoops. Whoops. That happens sometimes. Here we go. Perfect. Okay, next one's the A string. So it sounds lower. You also can try playing at the 5th fret in the way that we turn by ear, just to hear how it sounds. So it sounds lower, right? So it must be A in the middle. There we go. Okay, so you can see now it matches the sound. 5th fret. Okay, so then moving down, we have the D string. Okay, must show a D there. So if you try with the 5th fret thing, right? So you can see that that one sounds lower. Or you can look at the app. Okay. Here we go, almost there. Middle, here we go, that's the D string. Next one is the G. Okay, so if you try at the 5th fret, okay, so that's lower, but you can see on the app. Middle. Let's try it with the open string, see how it sounds. Oops. So, you can see it sounds too high. Go down. I wanted to do the same process with you guys to show how it sounds to you. Not only trust the tuner, because sometimes if you don't make sure that it shows the right note here, you will tune it wrong, right? There we go. So. Now. For me, it's really hard to see because I can't see the screen here, right? Here we go. So, almost perfect. Here we go. Okay, so the next one, the B string. You can try the 4th fret. Okay, so you can see it sounds lower. So now it's this one here. There. Whoops. Great. So just trying again. Good. Okay, and the first string. Oh, that was already pretty good. There we go. That's it. The next method is using a free app on your phone. This app recognizes the sound from your guitar. Make sure to keep the volume of your guitar up, otherwise the app won't work properly. I use this free app called Guitar Tuner. They also have a paid version with more features. With the free version, you can tune guitars, acoustic and electric, bass and ukulele in standard tuning. Simply keep the phone close to your guitar and tune it similar to how you did with the electric tuner. You will hear a sound when it's done, and the arrow in the middle will turn green. I have the tuner here with me, close to my guitar. It could be like a little further, closer to the amp or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna share with you guys on the screen. It's gonna be like that. So the top string, oh, you can see it shows like -12, between -12, -11. So I have in the middle. Okay, turn green. Okay, great. So next one's the A string. Oh, +8. So we have to turn it down. Make sure to hit the string when you're turning the tuner. There we go. Next one is the D string. Oh, -6. So now we turn up. Perfect. Next one, the G string, +6. Goes down. Here we go. Great. Now second string, B. So it shows -5. Oops. -5. Here we go. Great. And the first string. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't miss the next video in this series. If you want to learn more about me, my private lessons, or my online courses, please check my website at www.rodrodriguez.net. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.